Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change profile picture on Nunchuk wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open the Nunchuk wallet application from your app drawer. Make sure to sign into your account, and once you are, tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Tap the little camera icon at the top of your screen, and you can now take a photo by tapping on Take Photo option, or upload one of your existing photo by tapping on Photo Library and selecting a picture from your gallery. Now, you can adjust your picture how you'd like it to appear on your profile and tap on Choose at the bottom right and wait for a few seconds. You will then be able to change your profile picture on Nunchuk wallet. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.